Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is me going with Q3 of the weekly contest for 19, count the number of winning sequences. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this one. This one, as a Python user, it was very annoying. I got 10 minutes of penalty. One of the penalty is actually legit. I just was sloppy and didn't read the problem correctly. And then the other 5 minutes is because it times out in Python. I try to do it top down, try to do it bottoms up. Spoiler alert, it's going to be dynamic programming. Tried to do it tops down, bottoms up, both failed, and I had to convert it to Java, which I don't know, today I just am a little bit off my meta game, and I forgot to convert it to, I should have been like, when in doubt, just convert it to Java, but, and it added an extra 8 minutes to convert to Java. You know, I did it with ChatGPT, I have to double check everything, and it was a lot of time, right? So you can watch the live portion. So I'm not very happy with all the extra work I always have to do with Python and Leetcode being silly and sloppy, because, yeah, I don't know. Like, N is 1,000, but it could have been like 500 and wouldn't really change anything and makes it much easier to live for Python users. But it is what it is. Leetcode is silly. But in any case, though, the problem itself is fine. So you have this rock, paper, scissors mechanic with fire, water, earth type thing, and yeah, and the way that I did it is not this way. We'll go over the so I did it in my correct answer is in Java, so you could check that out. That's the bottom up, which I didn't write anyway. I actually end up using ChatGPT to convert it to top or the bottoms up because I was too lazy to spend like 10 minutes on it, and it's still wrong. So luckily I didn't spend 10 minutes on it. I should have just converted to Java. That's what I always should do these days, which is kind of sad. I'm definitely not on my game today. But the first thing I do, and this is not strictly necessary, is convert it from FWE to 012. It's just easier for me to do the math, which you can see later with the check. But we'll get to that in a second. So basically now you have the index, which is the index of S that you care about, right? Again, I'm going to have the same disclaimer as I always have on contest code. If you're watching this special way in the future and you didn't do this during the contest, this is the contest explanation. There are prerequisites. You need to know dynamic programming. I am going to explain the recurrence, but I'm not going to explain dynamic programming just because, I don't know, it just takes too long, and we're going over the contest. Come back when you're ready for more dynamic programming if this is confusing to you. If not, then that's great. But yeah, so basically index indicates the S that we care about. Last is to satisfy the condition that Bob cannot use this rock, paper, scissors. You cannot use the same thing twice in a row. So we just keep track of the last one so that we don't mash the last one. And score is actually it's very easy to kind of imagine keeping track of Alice's score and Bob's score, but in this case, all you have to do is actually keep track of Alice's score minus Bob's score, or maybe the other way around, and keep track of it. The delta score, if you want to call it that, because all you have to do is win by 1, right? It doesn't matter what the score is at the end, and that's your base case. If we went through the entire sequence, if the score is greater than 0, then we return there's one way to do it, return 0. Otherwise, this is a very typical sum the number of ways. We just brute force, okay, this is Bob. We play one of the rock, paper, scissors, or fire, water, earth, or whatever. We play one of them. We make sure that this is not equal to the last one. And then we just have this, honestly, a little bit awkward looking thing to determine whether Bob get a score or not, right? I actually got this wrong because I swapped the signs on one of them. It is what it is, because I thought, well, honestly, I thought it was symmetric, so I was just a little bit lazy, but I should have double checked to that. Like, I could have double checked. It wasn't that hard to double check, but you can see that, I forget what it is anyway. So, fire beats earth, right? So fire beats earth. So if so that means 0 beats 2. And so if the array is 0, this is Alice playing 0, and we have a 2, then wait, did I say 5? Yeah. Is this the right code? I don't know that this is the right code. I think because I did the wrong code and then I kind of ran it again. Sorry. No, this is the right code, but Oh, no. Okay, yeah, no, I read this wrong. I is what Bob is playing, right? So if Bob plays Earth and Alice plays whatever, which is one to the left, then Bob wins. Otherwise, Bob loses, or this one is just if they're tied. And that's the score plus delta here. You have index plus 1 to process the next one, and I is the last thing that Bob plays. And that's pretty much it, right? This is a very straightforward recurrence. With some practice, you should be able to get this quickly, but I did not because Leetcode hates Python, and some days I'm just too silly to convert it to Java immediately, which I should have. And yeah, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, and of course you have to remember the mod everywhere. This only gets added twice because except for the one time. But yeah, and then you just mod everything. Always remember to mod everything. And that's pretty much it. These are all the possibilities, and this is a very typical combinatorial counter-based dynamic programming problem. Yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Yeah. You could watch me solve it live frustratingly in Java sometimes. Next. And you idiot. Okay, well. Alright, you idiot. Oh, I took my time to be careful and I still made a silly mistakes. Okay. Oh, the 2 hearts. Okay, so we have time to catch up on the silliness. We're probably way behind though due to the silly mistakes. But the 5-minute penalty, really. But wow, people are really fast. I didn't think Q1 was that fast. But okay, focus. Let's go. 12 people got this. You could get this. And round. So rock, paper, scissors type thing. Alright. Mod. I didn't even finish reading it, but I just need to do the mod thing first. Mod. Okay, so let's see. This rock, paper, scissors. So you're given a string. Alice was someone. Never summon the same creature in 2 consecutive rounds. Bob beats Alice if the total points. Okay, return a number can use to Bob. Okay. And it's 1,000, so it seems doable. How many people got it now? 16 people are solving it. I mean, I'm like 6 minutes behind or something. I mean, the thing is that it actually doesn't even matter what they do. The rules don't matter. It's just that there's one match, as long as you don't do the 2 in a row, right? I guess it does matter. I mean, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, fine. It's probably gonna be something like this, right? And then it's just oh, and then is this times like the score or something, right? So then, which is fine. Okay. I hate writing it like this because then now I might have to rewrite it bottoms up. But okay, fine. Either way, if index is equal to n, then if score is greater than 0, or wait, if it's tie. Okay, so then it has to be greater than 0. We return 1, otherwise we return 0. You could probably also prune a little bit early, but that's fine. And then now, oh, and then the last score thing. This is not that bad actually, but just annoying. Okay, so then now, yeah, and then just So how do I write this? Right. How do I want to write this? FWE. Fire Earth. I don't think the order matters that much, but yeah. Okay, fine. Right. Okay, yeah. What are you writing, Larry? You can't do this. What? Larry, what are you doing? Okay, fine. Okay, so then now we just have two things, or three things, right? For I in range of 3, then we add it by goal index plus 1. Last is I, and Bob does not do 2 in a row, right? So if I is not equal to last, and then it's this. The score is the hard part. The score is, so delta is equal to if, I guess that doesn't actually matter. If index is equal to I plus 1, the order doesn't really matter as long as we're consistent, I think. Maybe. As long as we're consistently wrong in the right way, I think we're fine. Yeah, maybe this could be better though. Alright, let's at least see if this is right. Should be mostly right, but other than getting issues with limited. Like memory limit exceeded and time limit exceeded type things. This is kind of slow. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. I mean, I could write it too, but I want to just make sure that I am fast enough. Or like it takes me too long to do it. I need to be better about bottoms up, honestly, but that's besides the point. Okay. I don't need no comments. Maybe I should just ask it to not give me comments. Can I do that? -1, we don't need it to be -1 though. Oh, actually, I guess... I don't know. Maybe that's fine though. Max score is not defined. Oh, that's true. Alright, well, now I have to actually write it. I guess it doesn't work. Or like... this is so annoying. Like, we got the answer, but it's annoying. Oh well. Okay, so here we want index to go from n-1. Okay, that's fine. Last, we want it to be 3 is -1. Okay, I guess that's fine. But we don't need to use this, I think. I don't know, maybe it's fine. Max score. The reason is because max score goes to negative, I think, and ChatGPT is too dumb to do it. Because max score can be from oh, I guess they're doing the offset thing. Maybe it's right, honestly. Then why is this not right? Oh, there's like 1 here. That is not right. The base case is wrong. So we want we don't care what the last is. We don't care what the for score and range from offset +1 to max score. I think that's right. Okay. And we can actually do a space optimization, I think, too, but wow, this is taking a while, actually. Unless I submitted it by accident. I can see why this is longer, because a lot of the max scores are not possible. That's actually tough. I don't know what to do. Alright, let's just YOLO it. Let me YOLO the top down, and then we'll see. I guess we wasted like more time just to kind of, you know. But let's go. Maybe it's wrong, who knows. Okay. Huh. Maybe I'm wrong on something. Why is this wrong? Am I misunderstanding it? It shouldn't be. I mean, I was expecting timeout, but I didn't expect to hear a wrong answer, honestly. FFW. It shouldn't matter. Maybe it does. Maybe it's this case. I guess it does. I thought it wouldn't matter, but I didn't really map it out. I thought it would be symmetric, that's why I didn't think it mattered. But I was wrong, apparently. But this is such not great though, right? Because it's 1,000 times 1,000 times 3. It's like 3 million, but I don't know how to do this in a faster way. Like this isn't even a hard problem. It's just very. Oh, I guess the faster way is to convert this to convert this to Java. Why didn't I think of that? I forgot about it. Actually, honestly, I shouldn't need to, but it is what it is. I don't even need this bit. ChatGPT is doing that thing where it's fake printing every character like line by line. It is ridiculous. Okay, fine, here you go. Okay, Java. I'm leaving the comments in. If you think that's cheating, it is what it is. What is the other one? FFW? I thought it would be symmetric, but I was wrong. So it's the other one, right? Census 4, right? Why did I paste the wrong thing? Why is that? Like, that's why I checked for it, but okay, let's YOLO this. No, not yet. I'm just curious how long it takes. I don't even like. I don't think it would change anything for me, but yeah, okay, fine. I guess I don't really need that anymore. What do you think this is? Oh, is it that length? I always forget in Java. Okay, so maybe that's fast enough. All right, it's crappy, but it's fast enough. All right. Also, remove this. It doesn't use. Come on, YOLO. Why? Oh, I do need this actually. This time. Is the mod okay? I have to make sure that the mod is okay now, right? Okay, no mods. Okay, so this is modded. This is modded, so this should be okay. Let's just add another mod here. I think we modded at every point, so I think we're okay, but I'm being a little bit cautious. YOLO. Okay, so the answer is to not use Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem, this contest, its explanation, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy, take your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.